Welcome to Bob Jones Realtor. I recently visited family in Oshawa, Ontario. Thanks to Ken and Linda for the great time. They took us to an awesome place called Primitive Designs in Port Hope, a 40-minute drive from their home. Primitive Designs is a family-run retail gift shop located in Port Hope, Ontario. The store offers a wide range of exotic and unique arts, crafts, and antiques from various countries, including Mexico, Indonesia, and Thailand. The products available at Primitive Designs include metal sculptures, live-edge slabs, vessel sinks, tiki bars, paintings, carvings, clothing, jewelry, instruments, and more. Like and subscribe, as it really facilitates the production of these free and interesting videos. Thanks in advance, I do appreciate the help. Okay, moving on. The store prides itself on sourcing products that are free from child labor, bought at fair market value, and produced by family-run businesses around the world. The shop is known for its 8,000 square foot gallery, which provides a market-type atmosphere filled with treasures for families, homes, and gardens. There are not enough words to describe the contents of this amazing store, so I'll let the video do the talking for me. Enjoy. Primitive Designs is a prominent attraction in Port Hope. I can only imagine the time it takes to create these impressive sculptures. It's a unique experience of stepping into a world of creativity and imagination. If you find yourself within a reasonable driving distance of the store, I recommend you detour from your travels to visit. You'll always be glad you did. If you have been to the store, let me know in the comments what you thought and/or what you bought. That's it for Primitive Designs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. My name is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.